Hello everyone. I am working on an Easter project today and I will be using these cute Chanel ropes. I would like to make an Easter garland using this arrangement of Chanel rope. I like these colors and you can find these at the Dollar Tree in the Easter section. You will also need a wire cutter, so make sure you have a nice reliable wire cutter close by. If you want to add any other items to your garland, make sure you have those close by. I'm gonna put those aside for a minute and start with this color. Oh, I want to make those old-fashioned chain link garlands that you know how you hook them like this. That's what I want to do with them. I don't want to make them too large. Maybe about like this here. That's about 3 inches across. So I want to cut about right here. And then, so this is, like, let me straighten this up. it, it wants to curl. Okay, here we go. 10 inches. So you want to cut some pieces at 10 inches. My plan is to create at least a 9 feet garland. So I'm not sure if it's gonna work out, but we'll see. I think this is the best way to do it. Just cut all your pieces to at a 10-inch length. I am ready to put my tinsel together. Let me see. Oh, right here, I think maybe the peach in there. Maybe like this. I'm going to take this and kind of overlap it a little bit. So I'm creating a circle somewhere around 3 inches. If you like, you can take like a container, maybe a bottle, and wrap it, and that way they'll all be the same shape. But this is fine right here. And then I'm going to take the second one and feed it through the circle, and then cross this here and then wrap. And I think I may need my like pliers. So add pliers to your supply. I'm going to take the end of the wire here and kind of help bend it back around so it is not sticking up. That's good. And then same thing with this end over here. I'm doing pretty good. I'm just about done. I just need to add this last section. I've also repaired that last, the peach fuzz. This was the one that was unraveling. I went ahead and repaired it so I can work that in my chain here of my new Easter garland. This one, I've decided it's a lot quicker just to do the wrapping first and then coming back to twist the wires down with the plier. And then this purple one is the last. That's good. Look. Let me measure and see what we have. Okay. My goal was to get 9 feet. So I have accomplished my goal. So this is 9 feet right here, and it looks like I have 12. I have 12 feet of garland. So I had 12 feet of each color, right? And combined it all, you get 12 feet if you do 3-inch circles. Now, if you go smaller, of course, you probably can double the length of your garland, but I like the size. It's a nice, decent size, look. And let's see. I need to find the center. And the best way to do that is just to kind of match it up from the end and work to the center. Here we go. So this is my center right here. And let's see. I'm going to put, let me see. I'm going to take the purple as my center. I'm going to take this piece I have left and put it on here. So I'm going to kind of twist it gently. This way I know this is my center. And let me sort this. I want to put my garland on my mantle. So this is what I want. Let me show you. So here's my mantle. And then here's the center. I want my garland to swag like this and then come off the side like that. And I needed at least 9 feet of garland, and my garland right now, it measures 12 feet. So I have accomplished what I wanted to do. So the extra, it'll just hang off to the side like this. Well, it'll be more like circles, right? Like that. And I don't want it touching the ground or, the floor. So I left it a little short. So my next challenge is to add in the bunnies. And let me see. I was thinking about tucking it into the circle like this. Maybe like every other one, but only at the top of the mantle. I don't know, this one might be a little too large. Maybe I can do the little bunnies and they can dangle. I'm not sure. I mean, it seemed like a good idea when I started. How will I do this? Because it is a very thin bunny. Maybe if I sandwich it like this, I can put like a string in there, and that way they can hang. I don't know. Or I could just skip all that together. I will do the bunny challenge on another project. But I think this one is good. I mean, I don't want a garland that's overly done. You know what I mean? So this will be perfect. And let me show you what I want to do also with my garland. I know, pictures, right? Oh, it's a beautiful way to express things. I want to put a bow. Oh, look, my pen isn't writing. I want to put a bow here. And then another one on the side. Can you see? I want to put a bow here. A cute little Easter bow. And then it will also have streamers. So it'll work really well with this one. And I just so happen to have it. So let me show you my bow. Now, this probably looks familiar, and there's a reason for that. So I made some extra bows for my last project, and this is going to go on each corner of my mantle And look, you see the colors? Isn't that pretty? It works really well. I love the colors. Isn't that beautiful? I like it. It works really good together. These little links, you can use it anywhere, right? You can put it on the mantle like I want to do, or you can take it outside and run it along your deck. Oh, it'll look beautiful out there with all the pretty colors. Or if you're putting up an Easter tree, put some around your tree, all the way around. Don't be stingy. Or if you're doing a table, run it on the edge of your table, right? Like this. And you put your food in there. How pretty that would look. Look, I like it. I am happy with my new Easter garland. And I hope that you like my garland and that you give it a try. Thank you for stopping by. I will see you next time.